Let's go and create different emotions for the face. To do that, I need to make keyframes for the path of the mouth shape, as well as the path of the eyes, eyebrows, and ears. So I make some keyframes for the values I want to change. This would be the first emotion of the face. In the next frame, I just want to close the eyelids. To make sure the blinking is done correctly, I move the keyframes a little forward for about 10 frames. Let's have a look and see how it came out. Looks good. I got to frame 1 and I need to make that eye look like this eye as well. Looks good. These two eyelids are a bit different and I need to make them look alike. After creating the blinking, I create some keyframes for the rest of the properties in frame 1. I move to the next frame and paste the initial keyframes here. I want to show the character excitement here, so I edit the mouth first. And to create different mouth modes, you can use the references. I have found this reference on the internet. You can very easily find different references for different facial emotions. Let's move to the next frame, and now I want to show the sadness. I move to the next frame, and I want to show the angry. I move on to the next frame, and we're going to create the imagining mode for the face. Let's move to the next frame and create the fear mode for the face. Since I want the eyes to become a little bigger in this pose and the pupils to become a bit smaller, I go to the shape layer and create some keyframes for the width of the eye as well as the shapes related to the pupil. I copy these keyframes and paste them into the previous poses as well, so as not to face any problems. I must do the same for this eye too. After creating the different face emotions, I select all the keyframes related to the eyes because I want to have separate sliders for controlling the different eye modes. After selecting the keyframes, I go to the slider section and click on this option to create a slider for the different modes for the eyes. I name it Eye. After creating the sliders, you'll see that a null object is created here. And in the FX control panel of this null, you can control the same modes you've created for the eyes. I edit their names. Then I select the rest of the keyframes and enter the joystick. In a slider section, I create other sliders. This null object is related to the face sliders.